Have you ever wished you could unlock the secrets that make professional gardeners' plants thrive effortlessly? Today I'm going to show you 15 gardening hacks that are simple, unusual, and surprisingly effective. Tricks that will save you time, money, and maybe even a few lost plants along the way. From speeding up seed germination to creating DIY natural fertilizers, these tips aren't your typical Pinterest ideas. They actually work. Before we dive in, welcome to Timeless Gardening. If you love learning clever, practical ways to make your garden grow stronger and more beautiful, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tip. And don't forget to stick around until the end. There's a bonus pro hack that could completely change how you deal with weeds. Hack number 1, hydrogen peroxide seed soak. Give your seeds a powerful head start with a simple hydrogen peroxide soak. By mixing 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide per cup of water and soaking your seeds for about 30 minutes, you can speed up germination by as much as 50%. This method not only wakes up sleepy seeds, but it also kills surface pathogens, giving your seedlings a healthy start before they even hit the soil. It's a small step that makes a huge difference for fragile seeds that often struggle to sprout. Once your seeds are soaked, rinse them gently and plant as usual. You'll notice faster growth and stronger seedlings compared to seeds that weren't pre-treated. Whether you're starting vegetables, herbs or flowers, this hack helps ensure more uniform germination and reduces the chances of early seedling diseases. It's a professional level trick that's so easy, anyone can do it at home. Hack number 2, toilet paper roll soil blocker. Creating perfect soil blocks doesn't have to require fancy equipment. A simple toilet paper roll can do the trick. Just dip the roll in water, pack it tightly with soil, and you've got a ready-made block for your seeds. This method keeps the soil compact enough to hold together, but loose enough for roots to grow through easily. It's an inexpensive, eco-friendly way to give your seedlings a strong start while reducing the risk of transplant shock. Once your seeds are planted in these DIY soil blocks, they can be moved straight into the garden or larger pots without disturbing the roots. This is especially helpful for delicate seedlings that often struggle when handled too much. Not only does this hack save money, but it also helps your plants thrive by giving them the stable environment they need during their most vulnerable stage. Hack number 3, cornstarch rooting hormone. Did you know you can skip synthetic rooting hormones and use something as simple as cornstarch? Before planting your cuttings, just dip the ends into cornstarch. It helps stimulate root growth naturally, giving your plants a better chance to establish themselves. This works well on both woody and semi-woody plants, and it's a safe, chemical-free way to encourage healthy development from the very start. Once planted, the cornstarch forms a thin coating around the cutting that helps retain moisture and protect against minor pathogens. Over time, roots begin to grow more vigorously, making your cuttings stronger and more resilient. This simple trick saves money and keeps your garden organic while producing professional quality results. Hack number 4, terracotta pot Ollas. Terracotta pots aren't just for decoration. They can transform how you water your garden. Bury an unglazed pot in the soil, fill it with water, and it slowly releases moisture directly to the roots. This ancient irrigation technique keeps soil consistently damp without overwatering, and can save up to 70% of the water you'd normally use with surface watering. It's perfect for deep-rooted plants that need steady moisture to thrive. Once in place, these Ollas work silently and efficiently. As the water seeps out through the porous clay, plants get just the right amount, reducing stress and encouraging stronger growth. They're especially useful in hot climates or during dry spells, giving your garden a reliable water source while you spend less time watering by hand. Hack number 5, ice cube slow release. For delicate or heat-sensitive plants, ice cubes can be a gardener's secret weapon. Simply place a few ice cubes around the base of your plants, and as they slowly melt, they provide a gradual supply of water directly to the roots. This method prevents overwatering while keeping the soil consistently moist, which is especially helpful for orchids, succulents, and young seedlings that are prone to root rot. The beauty of this hack is its simplicity and precision. Each melting cube delivers just the right amount of water, giving you control over hydration without the risk of drowning your plants. It's an easy low-effort solution that ensures your plants stay healthy, even on the hottest days or when you can't water daily. Hack number 6. Shower Caddy Herb Wall. If you're short on space but still want a thriving garden, a hanging shower caddy can become a vertical herb wall. Most caddies already have built-in drainage holes, so water flows naturally without drowning your plants. Simply hang it on a balcony, fence or wall. Fill each pocket with soil, and plant your favorite herbs or small flowers. It's a creative space-saving way to grow more in less room. Not only does this hack save space, it also makes caring for your plants easier. Watering and harvesting are straightforward, because everything is at eye level, and the vertical setup encourages better air circulation, reducing the risk of disease. Whether you're in an apartment, have a small backyard, or just want a fun gardening project, this clever repurposing of a shower caddy turns ordinary space into a productive, beautiful garden wall. Hack number 7. Aluminum Foil Aphid Deterrent. Keep flying pests at bay with a simple strip of aluminum foil. Wrap it around the base of your plants or create little collars, and the reflective surface confuses aphids and other insects, making it harder for them to find your plants. It's an inexpensive and chemical-free way to protect your garden without harming beneficial insects. An added bonus is that the foil reflects light upward onto the lower leaves, which can help improve photosynthesis and overall plant health. This hack is easy to set up, reusable, and surprisingly effective, making it a smart addition to any gardener's toolkit for keeping pests under control naturally. Hack number 8. Chamomile Tea Damping Off Prevention. Chamomile tea isn't just for relaxing evenings. It can protect your seedlings too. Brew a strong batch, let it cool, and spray it on young plants to prevent damping off, a common fungal problem that can wipe out delicate seedlings. The natural antifungal properties of chamomile help keep your plants healthy during those critical early stages of growth. This hack also doubles as a gentle foliar spray for older plants, helping to ward off minor fungal issues while boosting overall plant resilience. It's an easy, natural, and safe way to protect your garden without relying on harsh chemicals, giving your seedlings a stronger start and improving your chances of a successful harvest. Hack number 9. Duct Tape Slug Trap. Slugs and snails can quietly destroy your garden overnight, but there's a surprisingly simple way to catch them before they wreak havoc. Take strips of duct tape and place them upside down around pots, garden stakes, or even directly on the ground near vulnerable plants. The sticky surface traps these slimy pests, keeping them from eating leaves, flowers, and young seedlings. Check the tape regularly and replace it when needed, and you'll notice a significant drop in slug activity without having to use toxic chemicals that could harm your soil or other beneficial insects. This method is not only effective, but also incredibly easy to set up and maintain. You don't need any complicated traps or expensive products, just a roll of duct tape and a little bit of strategic placement. Over time, using these sticky strips can drastically reduce the population of slugs in your garden, saving your plants and giving you more time to focus on growing healthy, thriving crops. Plus, it's a completely chemical-free solution, making it safe for pets, kids, and the environment. Hack number 10. Milk Spray for Powdery Mildew. Powdery mildew can quickly take over your plants, leaving leaves white, powdery, and weakened. Instead of reaching for expensive fungicides, try this natural solution. Mix 1 part milk with 9 parts water, and spray it weekly on susceptible plants. The proteins in the milk create an environment that inhibits fungal growth, keeping leaves healthy and green. It's a safe, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective way to manage this common garden problem without harsh chemicals. The beauty of this hack is its consistency and ease of use. Regular applications not only control existing mildew, but also prevent new outbreaks, making it an excellent preventive measure for sensitive plants like cucumbers, squash, and roses. Over time, you'll notice stronger growth, healthier foliage, and less disease stress, allowing your garden to flourish naturally. Plus, it's completely safe for children, pets, and pollinators, so you can maintain a thriving, chemical-free garden. Hack number 11. Aquarium water plant food. Next time you change your fish tank water, don't pour it down the drain. Your plants will love it. Aquarium water is packed with nitrogen, potassium, and other nutrients produced by your fish, making it a natural, ready-to-use fertilizer. Simply pour the water directly onto your plants or garden beds, and you'll give them a healthy nutrient boost without any extra cost. It's an easy way to recycle what would otherwise be waste and enrich your soil at the same time. The nutrients in aquarium water help promote strong root development, vibrant foliage, and overall healthier growth. This method works for indoor plants, container gardens, and even outdoor vegetable beds, giving you a versatile and sustainable source of plant food. By using what you already have at home, you can reduce dependence on commercial fertilizers, while supporting a thriving chemical-free garden ecosystem. Hack number 12. Matchstick Sulfur Supplement. Acid-loving plants, like blueberries, azaleas, and gardenias thrive in soil with slightly higher acidity, and you can naturally boost it using something as simple as matchsticks. Push sulfur-tipped matches into the soil around your plants, and over time, as the tips dissolve, they release sulfur gradually, enriching the soil and creating the ideal environment for growth. It's an inexpensive, low-effort way to support healthy, acid-loving plants without relying on chemical fertilizers. This slow-release method ensures that your plants get consistent benefits over several weeks, encouraging stronger roots, more vibrant leaves, and better flowering or fruiting. It's especially useful in gardens where adjusting soil pH can be tricky, because the sulfur tips act gradually, preventing sudden shifts that could stress your plants. With this simple hack, you can naturally fine-tune your soil while giving your favorite acid-loving plants the ideal conditions to thrive. Hack number 13. Molasses Microbe Booster. Molasses isn't just for baking, it's a powerhouse for your soil. By mixing 1 tablespoon of molasses per gallon of water and applying it to your garden, you feed the beneficial microbes that live in your soil. These microbes break down organic matter, release nutrients, and create a thriving living ecosystem that supports stronger, healthier plants. Over time, this simple addition helps build soil that's rich, fertile, and full of life. Regular monthly applications of molasses can transform even tired or nutrient-poor soil into a vibrant growing environment. The boosted microbial activity improves soil structure, enhances nutrient uptake for plants, and helps retain moisture more effectively. By supporting the microscopic community beneath your plants, you're essentially giving your garden a natural edge, stronger roots, more vigorous growth, and a healthier, more resilient garden overall. Hack number 14. Tension Rod Tomato Support. Supporting tall or sprawling tomato plants doesn't have to mean complicated cages or hammering stakes into the ground. Shower tension rods can be placed between the walls of raised beds to create a simple, adjustable support system. As your tomato plants grow, you can move the rods higher or add extra levels of support without damaging stems or roots. It's a flexible, no-tools-needed solution that keeps your plants upright and prevents them from sprawling on the ground, where they're more vulnerable to pests and disease. This hack is perfect for gardeners who want to save time and avoid permanent installations. The tension rods provide strong, reliable support, while allowing you to customize the structure to your plant's needs. Your tomatoes grow straighter, stronger, and healthier, which also makes harvesting easier. Plus, it's a clever reuse of materials you might already have at home, turning a simple household item into an essential gardening tool. Hack number 15. Bread Clip Plant Labels. Keeping track of your plants doesn't have to involve expensive garden markers. Plastic bread clips are perfect for labeling your plants quickly and cheaply. Simply write the plant's name on the clip with a permanent marker and attach it to the stem or a nearby stake. They're waterproof, reusable, and small enough to fit into crowded garden beds, making organization simple and stress-free. This hack is especially useful when you're starting seeds or managing multiple varieties in one garden space. With clearly labeled plants, you can track growth, watering needs, and harvest times more easily, which helps prevent mistakes and mix-ups. It's an easy eco-friendly solution that turns a common household item into a practical tool for keeping your garden tidy and efficient. Bonus pro tip: cardboard weed barrier lasagna method. One of the biggest challenges in gardening is keeping weeds under control without constantly battling them by hand. The lasagna method using cardboard is a clever natural solution that kills weeds while building rich, healthy soil. Start by laying down a layer of cardboard directly on your garden bed, overlapping pieces so no soil shows through. This blocks sunlight from reaching existing weeds, smothering them effectively, while also preventing new weed seeds from germinating. Next, add a layer of compost on top of the cardboard. This not only adds nutrients back into the soil, but also encourages earthworms and beneficial microbes to move in, further improving soil health and structure. Top this with a layer of mulch to retain moisture and protect the compost as it breaks down. Over time, the cardboard decomposes along with the organic layers above, creating a fertile, nutrient-rich environment ready for planting. Within 2 to 3 months, your lasagna garden bed will be ready for seeds or seedlings. By using this method, you save time on weeding, enrich your soil naturally, and create a sustainable growing environment that reduces reliance on chemical herbicides. It's a smart, eco-friendly technique that turns the chore of weeding into an opportunity to improve your garden. And once you see how effective it is, it will quickly become one of your go-to gardening strategies. That wraps up our 15 game-changing gardening hacks, plus the bonus pro tip. From speeding up seed germination and creating natural fertilizers, to clever watering solutions and pest control tricks, these ideas are designed to make your gardening life easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Some of these hacks are simple household repurposes, while others take advantage of natural solutions you might not have considered. But all of them work to help your plants thrive. I want to know which hack surprised you the most, or which one you're excited to try first. Drop your favorite number in the comments below, and share any results once you've tried them. Seeing how these tips work for other gardeners is always inspiring. And if you have your own clever hacks, don't hesitate to add them to the conversation. Sharing knowledge is what helps all of us grow better gardens together. If you enjoyed this video, and want more unusual practical gardening tips, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. We've got plenty of creative ways to save time, money, and effort in your garden, and these hacks are just the beginning. Thanks for watching Timeless Gardening. Your garden will thank you.